it's fine.
Right, we're rolling. Okay, so you might have seen from the little clip at the start that I'm excited for this because it's tiny. I mean, like, here's my phone, and there's the box, which also contains this like controller thing as well. Like we're opening this. Let's just. Ooh! Oh my goodness. That is the drone in this bag. Let's crack it out of its bag. Tiny. Oh my goodness.
Wow.
Honestly.
That is tiny.
This thing is honestly tiny. Look, you got your ultralight 249 grams. The Mini 3 Pro shoots in 4K video with a 48 megapixel camera when you're taking those amazing pictures as well. Oh, I'm so excited to fly this thing. I assume the battery will be dead. Let's just give it a bit of a the battery's dead. That's so helpful. Let's compare it to the Mavic. This is the Mavic. You can't really get a we'll go back to handheld cam. That is astonishing. It's basically like half.
That is so light.
It's 249 grams. Information about the product up there. A bit of a key holder that the thing came in. Oh my goodness!
There it is.
It's the controller. Cracking out of its bag. Look at that.
That looks nice.
Look at that. Whoa, look at that. DJI. Right, welcome. We're going to start with a guide of how to use our product. Swipe back horizontally from the edge of the screen to return to the previous screen. Yep. The left dial over here is for the gimbal tilt by the looks of it. And the right one is to the camera. This thing zooms. I didn't even know that. Then of course you got your record and take pictures as I was explaining before. Return to home. Press to pause flight, and that's actually quite useful. And then we got our switch flight modes. We got our the normal, sport, and cinematic. Thank you. We've got our customizable buttons. That's what the C stands for. Custom. What? I've pressed the button. Oh, okay. It's initializing reset. I think I skipped some tutorial. I suppose we'll rejoin you, like with the in real life camera when it's charged. Alrighty, we've made it up to where we're flying tonight. It is a beautiful night to be flying. It's one of my favourite spots to fly just because, like, look at the view over there. We're now just getting the Mini set up with the controller now also fully charged. I'm excited for this. Let's roll some takeoff footage and then let's roll some flight footage. Okay, so that kind of failed. This needs an update, and my 4G up here is really not very good. We're far away from anything. So okay, so after our failure last night, we are now back on tomorrow night. If that makes any sense. It is a bit duller, really. It's a bit windy. I've got my coat on, as you can see. But we've got the Mini down here, as you can see, and we are ready to take flights on what will be its second proper flight. We actually gave it a quick whiz last night. I didn't get that many pictures or videos, so let's give it another shot. Roll the clip. So what are your opinions on the Mini 3 Pro then?
I'm really impressed.
What's your favourite like feature or thing?
I love the control.
The control. I really also really like the control because it has that beautiful inbuilt screen.
That screen is epic.
It is awesome. It's totally amazing. Okay, so first like with the Mavic, no, not Mavic Mini, the Mini 3 Pro in the wild did actually go quite well, except when I was landing, I was trying to use cinematic mode to land. There goes the Mavic 2, and it's gone. We've got both drones out tonight. Oh, okay, it's tailing me. Yeah, the cinematic mode didn't seem to work personally for me. What I think cinematic mode is meant to do is it's meant to slow down the drone a little bit, but in my experience just then it didn't do that, so that's my first downside I found with the said drone. But other than that, the Mini 3 is just an absolute dream. Mind that tree. An absolute dream to fly the controller itself. Whoa! It's just utterly brilliant. The screen in there. Oh my god. Actually, next time I fly, I'm going to actually start a screen recording so you can see exactly what I'm looking at. This is really scaring me.